there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project is a cute little slider box. Opens up like that. Got a few little Hershey's kisses inside there. And it's super easy to make, but the thing I love the most about this little box is this cute little hippo that's on here. So if you haven't already got, if you live in New Zealand and you do not have a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I would be happy to send you this celebration brochure, and that is where you would find the Hippest Hippos. There's the stamp set and there's the coordinating dies. Now during through August 31st, you can get these items for free when your order is over $110 New Zealand. So you can select that one. And then if you order another $110 worth of product, you can select the dies. So I think they're just so cute. So it's a great little set. The dies and the stamp set on its own even is just super cute anyway. So let me show you how I made this. Very easy. I'm going to use a piece of mint macaron cardstock, the base. Now this fabulous designer series paper is actually called the gingham cottage paper. Here's a little bit of, see if you can see it all different designs of gingham. Oh, I love this colour here. Isn't it beautiful? I love gingham. And it's actually in our holiday catalogue, and I've put a link to the products that I've used in the description bar below. So I'll have more about those products anyway. So it's double-sided, so you could use that side or that side, but we're going to go ahead and use that bolder gingham. So bring in your Simply Scoring tool. We'll make the box first. So this is a piece of cardstock and it measures 6 inches by 5. So on that short side, the 5-inch side, just do a score do your first score at 1.5 and then 3.5. Turn it round to the landscape side or the 6-inch side and score it at 1.5 and 4.5. We've also got a piece that wraps around. That's the designer series paper. So just pop that through there on that long side and score at 1 inch, 2.5, 4.5 and 6. And that's it. That's it for the box. Super easy to make. Just fold all those score lines and then burnish with your foam folder. Right, and same with the box. The great thing about this is that you can put anything in this size box, pretty much. Yeah. And then all you're going to do is cut each one of these 4 smaller squares. So just cut up that score line there. And then the other side, wedge the other side. So all you're doing is cutting away that score line, basically. Same with that one. A little wedge. And out. Same on this side. And then over here. Okay. So your tape is going to go on these 4 small squares using my Stampin' Seal Plus. And just fold in each of those corners inside. Like I said, it's a very easy box to make. Yeah, and then there. Oops. No. there it is made. Easy. The wrap, the top half just simply wraps around like that, like so, and then in like that. So you want it to be not too firm so you can't open the box obviously, but firm enough so that, you know, you can get that off. Some seal on there, and then I just wrap it round to the bottom and then fold it over, and there you have it. Very easy to make. Very, very easy to make. Okay. All right, let's get this stamping done now. So I'm bringing in my little cute little hippo and just a piece of basic white cardstock, memento ink. Just gonna stamp him down. I've actually gone ahead already and cut out the little snorkel and the mask and his little boat. It's so cute. So I'm just going to do a little bit of blending now with my blend. So I'm using dark smoky slate and light smoky slate. So I'm just going in with the dark. Just going to put a bit of colour down there. Putting a little bit of dark around here. And then around here. Around here. And I'm actually going to cheat because I'm not going to colour his whole body in, because we're not going to see it, because the little he's going to be sitting in his little boat. So I'm going to cheat. So I'm just going to bring in the light smoky slate now and just colour him in. I mean, you can colour the whole thing if you want to. That's up to you. If you really want to. But I was just trying to save time. Up to you. I might just finish off the bottom half now that I'm there. Why not, I suppose. It's quick colouring. Light. You can colour him any colour you want. He looks really good in grey granite. And the samples and the little celebration brochure are really good to use as well. So for if you're wanting some colouring ideas, you can leave them plain if you want to. I'm just actually going to grab my colour lifter because I feel like I've maybe put a bit too much there. The beauty of the colour lifter, it just picks out those. All right. It's going to run him through now in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, which is right next to me here. So I'm just going to run the die through. Go in there. Yes. Well done. So cute. So very cute. Right, let's put him together with his little attachments here. So I've got his little life buoy, his snorkel, and his mask, which I've die cut. I've used real red for these actually. So I'm just going to put a little bit of ink, a little bit of my Tombow down straight onto my silicone mat there, only because I don't want too much Tombow on there, and I don't currently have any of our other liquid glue, so let's just put them there. And I'm only going to put a little bit of Tombow on there, just on that bit. Cute, cute, cute. And could just put, I could have put it directly on, I know that, but this little rowboat is very cute. Let's put on there. Okay, so one thing I did forget to grab was I've used also a piece of the black and white gingham in this pack for the little background, which is the hearts, and I've used the smaller of my heart duo punch. I'm just going to punch a couple of those out. And let's pop him on here now. That would be my dog barking right outside the door. He doesn't care if I'm in here making a video. Yeah, so I'm just positioning these just at an angle, and let's pop this little cutie on here. And I found when I did this one I needed to put a little small dimensional underneath this this part. Is it that one or that one? So it's sat up, it's sat properly. Okay. Put it about there. And then the little thingy, the little boat, so cute. Let's put some dimensionals on that one. And I find my larger dimensionals which are not there, so let's just use the small ones. Okay. Alright, nearly done. I haven't put a sentiment on here. I don't think it needs one. And there he is, this cute little boat. And that is all there is to it. Cute little gift box featuring the Hippest Hippos. That is from the celebration brochure, and I have linked all the products that I've used in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. That's stampingmary, MERRY @gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a really good day.